Hello friends, my name is Mayura Chavan and I am going to appear for CA Foundation examination in December 2023. In the beginning, the question was where and how can I get best CA coaching in my own city. फिर मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे Elite Professional Academy recommend किया. I joined the academy and now with the confidence I can say कि मेरा वो decision बिल्कुल सही था. I had a great experience with the academy. Along with the coaching, the academy provides mock test series, and also revision batches. The faculty here supports you, guides you in all the way possible. You get a thorough concept clarification, and this is what a CA student needs. So to achieve my goal, I am already the part of Elite Professional Academy. If you are on your way to make career in CA, do join Elite Professional Academy and make your career happen.